George E here. So in front of me, we have a Sense 2. This would be a Fitbit Sense 2. So model number FB521 right there. And you might have noticed that your ECG functionality might not be working. And that could be due to one of these metal pieces here that's supposed to make contact. These two pins here is missing. So if one of these are missing, your ECG function will not be working. So if that is missing, no problem. You can go ahead and purchase a repair kit from us, or just these individual components right here. And all you'll need for this repair would be the adhesive here, the actual component that's missing, a spudger or something just to clean up all the old adhesive on there, and just a rubber band or something that will be able to clamp this in place till it is adhered. So there's not much to it. As you can see, we have both of these off over here, and we're gonna go ahead and just clean up all the leftover adhesive. And once we clean it with some isopropyl alcohol, we'll go ahead and apply a good bead to then just adhere these metal pieces here to the back housing. All right, let's jump into it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of isopropyl alcohol on the end here as I go and do some cleaning here. We'll just clean this up and remove the old adhesive. All right, now the surface is prepped here, so we just cleaned it up with some alcohol, so make sure you don't have any oil residue or anything on there, and go as well on your replacement parts, just in case. Go ahead and also wipe it down with some isopropyl alcohol to make sure the contacts there, that the adhesive will be able to make good contact with that. And you don't have to worry about these being directional. As you can see, both of these two spots here that it can connect, so either one can go on either side. All right, we're gonna go ahead and apply a bead. You could be a bit more liberal in your application, except be more cautious when you're actually going around the connection here. Don't put too much, as you don't want to fill up the connection with the adhesive. There we go. So we're just going to go around that. Otherwise, we'll clean up any excess afterwards. Alright, so there's the bead that we put on. It's as simple as just placing it right on top. Or you have some type of glove on or something to have this adhesive not stick to your skin. Alright, we'll just put some pressure on that just to fit it in. Again, it's fine if we get all that adhesive everywhere. Alright, now we'll go ahead and just put something to keep it clamped down. So you can either use a clamp of some kind. We'll go ahead and use a rubber band. And once this is fully cured, we'll go ahead and just do a final cleaning afterwards. Again, you'll be able to just use some isopropyl alcohol as well as your plastic spudger. So we have some more adhesive coming out. We definitely overdid it on the adhesive there, but as you know, these come off fairly easily, even from Fitbit, as you ran into that issue. So having a little extra won't hurt. And yeah, we'll just let that sit for roughly 24 hours for it to fully cure, and then we'll come back and clean it up, and it should be good to go. Ciao.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.